Every year we recognize the people and organizations that are leading the way in chloride reduction. This year, we have 6 recipients for our 2023 Salt Symposium Chloride Reduction Leadership Award. One of the groups we're recognizing this year is the work of Phil Gabler, Matt Tucker, Alder Foster, and the City of Madison, Wisconsin. The City of Madison has been actively working on salt reduction efforts for many years, including implementing a winter salt certification program to train municipal and private salt applicators on techniques to lower salt use. However, it's proven more challenging to get the message to residents and private applicators. To bring awareness and to help motivate property owners to responsibly maintain their winter sidewalks, the City of Madison has amended their existing snow and ice removal ordinance. Previously, commercial and residential property owners have been required to remove snow and ice from their sidewalks after a snow event, but there was no guidance on salt application. Unfortunately, the city's had many documented cases of oversalting on public sidewalks. This realization stirred a Madison alder to initiate discussions on ways to address oversalting, specifically to create a mandate within the city ordinances. After some debate and consideration on what constituted oversalting, as well as deciding appropriate enforcement measures to impact behavior change, the city ordinance for snow and ice removal was amended. The goal of the amended ordinance was to keep the sidewalks safe for pedestrians while reducing salt application. It was decided that if residual granules of salt remained on the sidewalk after all snow and ice was melted, the resident would have 24 hours to remove the excessive salt from the sidewalk, or it would be considered oversalting. While sidewalks are a small percentage of the salted surfaces in Madison, it is assumed that in many cases commercial companies that are hired to maintain public sidewalks are also responsible for the parking lots, which are a much larger contributor of salt to the drainage system. With this in mind, the amended ordinance has an even greater potential to reduce salt application than on sidewalks alone. The ordinance also allows for the education of residential and commercial applicators about appropriate application rates and winter maintenance actions to have a greater impact for protecting our water. Enforcing salt use will help people pay more attention to something that we all need to pay attention to all the time. Congratulations to Phil Gabler, Matt Tucker, Alder Grant Foster, and the City of Madison for their work on chloride reduction.